In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can set up an eSIM here on your iPhone 16 step by step. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, using an eSIM is super convenient because you don't need a physical SIM card, and it's perfect if you're switching carriers, traveling, or using a second number. To get started, essentially open up the settings app here on your iPhone and just scroll down, and you're either going to see a cellular option in here, or you're also going to see a mobile service option in here. Go ahead and select either one of those two depending on your region. And if you already do have a SIM installed, you'll go ahead and see it in this option. However, if you don't have one yet, it's essentially just tap setup mobile service instead, or setup cell service instead. Give it a moment to load, and when you see that option to transfer phone number, tap other options at the bottom, and this is where you're going to set up your eSIM. Now, you can either transfer from a nearby phone or move it over from Android, or just use a QR code from your carrier. It's really up to you. Most people do end up using the choose QR code option, and you essentially just tap scan QR code and scan the code provided by your carrier. If needed, you can also select enter details manually and type in the information manually, but whenever it does finish activating, your eSIM is ready to use. That is it though. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.